All right. So, guys, tonight, today, whatever time of day you see in this video, we're just going to do a quick review of another um, another tool, another digital marketing tool, another platform that has a massive Black Friday sale, and this is Brilliant Directories, which has up to 90% off for their on their lifetime plans and VIP add-ons. So you could check the deals. Check it out here. Let's see. And these guys, final 8 hours, invest in your website idea, 2023 Black Friday deals, lifetime website plans, and then soon 8 left, get one lifetime website plan, 451 time, 450 per site plus 60% savings, regular price 1,450, get one lifetime website plan, buy now. Three lifetime plans worth 750 one time. So we have some beautiful sales on right there. VIP add-ons club, keep your Black Friday price for life. Includes 75 plus add-ons. So we have the VIP add-ons for one website, VIP add-ons for three websites, etc. for 5 and for 10 websites. All right. So let's go over Brilliant Directories. Do you guys know what Brilliant Directories is? I think many of you have an idea, but it's for anyone who's been in the web development, web design space for a while. Will know that to create a directory, you need a platform that's suited to it. You can build a directory site off the bat. You could do it with coding, but it's a bit tedious. You could do it on HTML and CSS, but you could also do it on WordPress with the help of plugins and the ideal themes. But Brilliant Directory is a all-in-one platform. It's a well-oiled machine. They've been around for a while, so they have an idea what they're doing. So with Brilliant Directories, you can create your own membership site and business directories. Simple launch in minutes, grow recurring revenue, all in one, 1,000 plus features, trusted by over 30,000 users. All right, so it's the number one membership site platform. All right, so to simply try it out, guys, you just try out a free demo. Enter your email address and you start the free demo. So I think I have a demo. I think I have a demo ready. So I'm gonna go through it. So yeah, let's see. No, is that it? I think I do have a demo. Here we go. So I have the demo open. So we'll go through it. But yeah, so with Brilliant Directories, here's a testimonial. I've been working in different directory web platforms like WordPress. Yep, WordPress, 6Cube, SEO Samba, and others for over 20 years. About 3 years ago, I found out about Brilliant Directories. Since then, I've built 10 directories. So first, the website and pages are Google friendly right out of the box. So this is one of the most important parts of a good platform to me. Second, the software is very easy to use, and there's lots of help to build your site. So Vincent apparently he no longer has a regular job because he's making a living off his 10 Brilliant Directory sites. Awesome. Alright, so it's easy to launch your own community with your online community Brilliant Directories. So you select a directory theme to launch your membership website for any industry or local area. Local city guide, business directory, member community, real estate listings, or local classified. Alright, so if we decide to browse the themes, we could see that there are quite a few themes. So find service providers, local city directory theme, membership themes. So simplify tasks for entire member organization, easy to set up, manage members, post events, publish news, send emails, and more. All right. So groups using these themes: Chamber of Commerce, alumni, parent, teacher, political organizations, non-profit organizations, foundations, charities, religious institutions, and more. So there we go. We could start a free demo for that theme of that membership. So there's a member community theme here, and there's also school club directory theme. Different themes, variety of themes. And here's what you could do: manage member data, online member directory, manage payments and dues, member endorsements, event listing and calendar, publish news updates, send email newsletters, and so much more. There's also the classified and real estate listing theme. All right. So classified as theme, real estate listings theme. So see, Brilliant Directories is quite versatile and it's awesome for real estate listings, and also there's a local city directory theme. And one thing that could be really beneficial to folks is the incorporation of the find a service provider theme. So this is the best business directory themes for B2B and B2C websites targeting specific industries. So allow website visitors to find, contact, and get matched as leads with your professional members. All right. So the popular industries for this: home services, medical, wellness, legal, insurance, wedding industry, finance, beauty, pet services, and more. All right. So here are the features of it: searchable member listings, lead capture forms, so leads to your members, verification badges, instant email notifications, customer reviews, mobile friendly app ready, and so much more. So you have the business search directory theme, where you can still capture leads, so start a free demo. And you also have the lead capture theme, whereby folks interested in the services of the members on the directory will contact them. I mean, if you owners of the business directory will have full visibility to this. All right. So, and it's quite interesting. It's a powerful platform. They've been doing it in the background forever. They are solid. All right. Basically, um, so it's basically the best way to deploy directories. All right. Effortlessly design your website, publish content, and manage members. It's perfect for beginners and experts. Right? And you could sync your data with 5,000 plus apps. Right? So send your brilliant directories data out to thousands of third-party tools and solutions, connected to Zapier, Pabbly, Integrately, and many, many more. So it could also include PayPal, Stripe, HubSpot, CRM, Google Drive, Slack, Google Meet, Google Sheets, Google Tasks. It is an all-in-one solution. Powerful workbooks make it easy to integrate, so do more than collect member data. Segment your members into smart lists for laser focused marketing. Sync your data to 5,000 plus solutions using built in webhooks. Right? And you have turbocharged membership themes. You get to manage your entire organization with the most reliable member directory software. It is the most reliable because honestly, I did a demo of it for a client. I built a demo membership site for her a few years back, and she was loving it. Um, I don't know, she was a bit discouraged to go forth with the idea, so it's still pending. She hasn't gotten back to me. She hasn't launched the site as yet, so I don't know. There's hesitance. She's one of those that believe in perfection, that you need it perfect before you launch it, and she should have started from scratch, imperfect, but get the ball rolling. Get your domain name, connect brilliant directories, check um, check out the trial, 7 day free trial, sign up. So I would encourage her, if she's listening to this, you know who you are. You need to sign up ASAP. Use the link in the description. Take advantage of this Black Friday sale. Hopefully the discount still applies. The 90% discount, which the 90% off Black Friday sale still applies. All right. So Brilliant Directories is currently powering 30,000 plus membership and directory websites worldwide since 2009. All right, and guys, remember, once you click the link in the demo and you go to the site, you could always request a free demo, and you could just create your own. You could request a free demo, or you could sign up. You could sign up to start your free demo. You could actually um, take these. There's a 7 day free trial, um, where and you can actually build your own mock membership site with your content. All right, so yeah, check it out. Unlimited Possibilities, one powerful platform. All right. So check out some of the benefits. All right. Member management, recurrent payments, searchable directory, content publishing, design and branding, banner ad management, events calendar, email marketing, instant SEO rankings. And that's one of the things that really got me fascinated and curious about Brilliant Directories, because trust me, some of the website platforms, some of them do not have the SEO rankings, and they claim they're instant. So when I launch my client's demo site, I will be the judge of that. Hosting and support, premium hosting and top rated email support included a very plan. Awesome. So generate revenue from members, leads, advertisers, and more through Stripe, Authorize.net, PayPal, eWay, BluePay, and 2CC. All right. So, who uses Brilliant Directories? Over 30,000 groups, organizations, and website owners around the world trust Brilliant Directories with their membership communities and online directory websites. Guys, if you're still watching this, um, and you still need more convincing, I would. What the most convincing thing would be that 90% off membership Black Friday membership deal. So I think you should click that link, take advantage of it, and you can continue watching the video. So there's loads of use cases. Check this out. This guy says, Kenneth says after the demo he was hooked. He first tried using WordPress themes, but the plugins he needed to run his directory website kept breaking, which is true. I've tried it myself. Brilliant Directories is a truly hassle-free one-stop shop platform. Now, guys, check this out. So, Brilliant Directories, their Black Friday offer, I think it ends. Let's see what time it ends. Their Black Friday, final 8 hours. My God. So, all right. So don't fret. There's always a solution to this. So one of the solutions is AppSumo has a 92% discount, offering you Brilliant Directories for only $89, as compared to let's see. Let me just wait. Let me just make sure how much time this offer has. I think you're good until the until the 28th of November. So while Brilliant Directories is giving 90% off, AppSumo is giving 92% off. So it's a lifetime deal again. Launch, manage, and monetize your own membership websites to dominate your market. Okay, so the key point of Brilliant Directory: attract and engage your members with a fully managed and hosted solution that looks great on every device. You get to maximize revenue with powerful options to sell subscriptions, leads, digital products, even tickets, and more. And a whopping 92% discount, and you get to buy a lifetime membership at $89, right? And check this out. This is the original price, $1,069. Guys, if you haven't clicked that link in the description as yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. All right, so let's just listen to a quick overview by one of the guys on AppSumo, one of their reviewers, their software reviewers. All right, let's hear.
Do you want to own your industry with high-quality, customizable membership websites? Then you'll love Brilliant Directories. What's good, Sumolings? It's Jay here with AppSumo, the #1 digital marketplace for amazing deals on software. Today we're talking about Brilliant Directories, a directory software that helps you design and manage membership websites all on one powerful platform. I can't wait to tell you all about it, but before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to AppSumo's YouTube channel. You don't want to miss out on any of our killer deals. Alright, let's get started. This is what a typical Brilliant Directory site looks like. I can choose from over 20 different modules to highlight on my homepage, such as featured members, recent articles, CTAs to sign up for newsletters, and more.
That is key. That is really crucial. I mean, different modules, so it's fully customizable. You choose what you want on Brilliant Directories, and you minus the hassle of having to manipulate various plugins that you find with WordPress. If you're WordPress genius, that's on you. That's your choice, and power to you. But a lot of people have some WordPress plugins can be a bit technical, and some people would prefer an easier platform to use, more maneuverable.
All of the modules on the homepage have their own customizable settings available in the admin section. Every Brilliant Directory site is super easy to customize, with settings for fonts, colors, and content that can be updated with just a few clicks. Any changes are automatically applied across the whole site, and there's no coding required. Let's dig into the admin section. The quick links makes it easy for me to
Here it is, guys, no coding required.
navigate to the most popular website management actions, like adding new members, managing my media, etc. In my dashboard, I can also see...
Oh, Smack, check this out. If I didn't see this, I forgot to mention that. This deal ends in 4 days, so guys, take advantage of it. Deliberate on it, but if you're not going to benefit from it, just refer it to someone so that they could take advantage of it, because you maybe know someone in your network who may need, who's been looking for to create a membership site or a directory. Right, so let's continue with the video.
See a quick snapshot of how my website is performing and get a pulse for my key metrics. Pretty cool, right? Next, we're going to
It is cool.
take a look at the My Members section. This shows me all the members of my site. I can search through my members using the built-in filters, and I can create a smart list to create segmented lists for email marketing. I can also export my smart lists if I need to. For each member, I can see a quick overview of who they are, where they're from, what their membership and payment statuses are, and more. When I
Amazing.
hover over the Actions module for a member, I'll be given a few quick action options for that member, such as logging in as them, seeing their payment history, or sending them an email. Now we'll head on over to the Content section of Brilliant Directories. Here I can manage all the content on my site, from static content to member-generated content. The website builder is super intuitive and easy to use. There are draggable content blocks that I can use to quickly build pages and add new content. The pre-made content blocks can be easily stacked and customized with my own images and copy, so I can build new pages in minutes. I can customize button colors and styles for each to make sure everything stays on brand too.
Nice. I think some people are really sticklers for their brand keeping to brand colors, and some folks are very nuanced. They need it to be congruent. So with that feature, that will tick the box for those who are design oriented, and or if they have a team, their designer or graphics person would definitely give it the theme of a thumb of approval, seal of approval, thumbs up, because they know that they could go in and design according to brand.
Let's check out a few more awesome features. With Brilliant Directories, I can protect pieces of content based on membership plans. If I go to Manage Posts,
Nice.
I can manage all the published and unpublished posts from my team and my members. From here, I can preview, edit, or unpublish posts to make sure everything on my site is exactly how I want it. All the content is powered by post types, which helps keep all the content on my site organized. With post types, I can decide which members have the privilege and ability to publish certain post types like articles, events, classifieds, discussions, and more. Or if I want to limit that to admins, I can also protect posts so that only members with specific plans can see them.
That is major.
It's a great way to incentivize members to upgrade their membership.
Agreed. So you could literally content block. You could have it. So it would be like a payment gateway. So I experimented with a previous plugin for that, doing something similar. I think it's Memberful. You integrate it with your current website and it goes through. But with Brilliant Directories, you need to. It's a platform, you connect your domain to it, but it's a all-in-one suite. So it's basically, how would you call it? It's like a fully powered machine, well-oiled machine, standalone. It's a ready-to-go solution. Not too many moving parts. All you need to do is connect and integrate, and you're good to go. And you could start inviting members and stuff. Once you have your payment method approved and connected, and you have your member area content, then you could easily start going and promote the website to gain more membership.
Speaking of membership plans, Brilliant Directories makes it easier than ever to create, update, and manage membership plans. There are dozens of settings for privileges and restrictions, and you can make edits with just a click. After you connect your preferred payment gateway, you can start collecting payments from your members, and Brilliant Directories will never take a percentage of your sales. Plus,
that is major. Never take a percentage from your sales. Wow. So that is solid. I'm impressed with that.
When you create a new membership plan, the sign-up page is automatically created, so all you need to do is give it a name and set up the pricing and privileges. Sumo Links, you can create custom membership and directory sites in no time. Get started with Brilliant Directories today.
Say no more. All right, guys. So what are you waiting for? There's so you could take advantage of both links. We have a link for the 90% off Black Friday sale on their website, and we also have the 92% lifetime membership discount on AppSumo. So don't delay. Click the link in the description below. Take advantage. Make huge savings on these Black Friday deals, and it's going to extend into Cyber Monday, so you have some time. Just don't sleep on it. All right, guys. Bye for now. I am out.